Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. You know, Rata laughed when Mthobisi Mncube was explaining that whole thing of these forces was how did they get to each other's hands? You understand? Because Uti, if Ukelo was sending me something, there must be some communication of some sort, maybe through WhatsApp. You even said again. I'm actually making an example. Uras just laughed. I was just like, bruh, like, honestly. And he was just like, Mncube, ugebengu nje lobo. Like, how did that work? Ngoba even ngisho naye uStain came here, but he's never explained ukuthi ifika kanjani kubona lezo ithombe. Ziqhamukaphi kanjani njengoba sekuthiwa mina uKelly wayengangimthumelela ithombe ezayishow imali. Guys, uthi no, please stop with the lights. Batshela straight. And they can't believe it. So that's I just laughed. Mncube is out to get Gininda and his entourage and expose them. Is just like, I don't want to know. Alright, so I tried interject, it's just not working. It's just like these people are rotten to the core. What must happen? Mthobisi Mncube is actually fed up with the justice system in South Africa. Literally, he's just telling the court off. And Urata can't take it. He keeps on interjecting and everything that he's saying doesn't make sense. Urata, guys, it's just not working at some stage. He was just trying to pin down Uramsipili and it didn't end well. Anyway, Uramsipili did sleep a bit there, but he came back very quickly with the help of Mthobisi Mncube. And Mthobisi Mncube, guys, is sharp, hey? And he remembers everybody that came to that court. It's even worse when he came and lied. He doesn't care at this point about Gininda. Guys, like I said, he's telling his truth. What must happen? You know? And Urata can't believe it because the stuff that he remembers, Mthobisi, is in another level. Urata cannot believe it. It's just like Bamsa. Because the problem also with this type of cases, Urata was gaslighting and is still gaslighting the accused, and he has convicted them already. But he cannot believe it. You know what? This case could take another direction. I won't believe my eyes. And he's just too good. He's just like, you know what? I am not playing with anyone. People are trying to take me down here for something that I didn't do, and I've been to jail, prison for 6 years for this. I'm not playing with anybody. I don't even care. He's just spitting fire, literally. You know that I interjected 3 times, right? And it backfired. Zama or that's just not working. Especially the return about hair. Thick hair and thin hair. It's just not working. She was just like, who talked about thin hair and thick hair? Yo, hey guys, I was just like, Urata, guys must just keep quiet. It's not working. And you know what type of person he is, ne? He's the type of a person. And whatever he says goes. He's the type of people. And Mthobisi was like, no, me and you don't say eye to eye. This is what's going on here. I haven't talked about hair. I'm talking about plaited hair and the long hair and the short hair. My dreadlocks were long. So where are you? Like, what are you even talking about? Urata guys was just like, I know, it's not a problem. Really, I was just, I'm saying what I see. I'm just like, you didn't have to say anything. Because, like I'm saying, guys, at the back of your mind, these guys are nothing. You have convicted them. Which is so crazy and unfair. Hi.
Thank you. Is there anything else that you want to add to your comment regarding the dreadlock style of the sketch and the photo from the ID parade?
Kukhona yini mhlawumbe ungathanda ukukwengeza ke ekuphawuleni kwakho noma ekuchazeni kwakho maqondana ne-style hlobo lwama dreadlocks lawa isithombe esidwetshiwe nalesi okuyisithombe sona soqobo.
Ama-dread yabona nje ukuthi ama-dread ayekiwe ayayilengela nje ngoba omabili uma uthi wabheka avala amadlebe omabili.
You can see that in both sketch and picture or photo, these threads are hanging loosely. They've just been left like that. They are hanging and they are covering ears on both of the sketch and the picture.
Angina-thread elilukiwe la.
There is no plaited thread here.
Lokhu ngicabanga ukuthi into emayelana nabantu ababekhona endlini.
Yikuphi lokho?
Lokhu kokubili ngicabanga ukuthi kuhambelana nabantu ababekhona endlini.
Oh, both of these, the sketch and the photo, actually, I think relate to the people who were present in the house.
Ababona ngoba yibo ababetshela iphoyisa ngalona, yibo futhi ababekhomba ngalona kwi-parade.
Such people who actually saw or witnessed it, because they are the people who were describing to the police about it, yibo abatshela iphoyisa,
Yebo ukuthi lidwebe lomdwebo so.
in order to sketch that picture.
Yibo futhi abakhomba umuntu la kwi-parade so.
And they are the ones as well who pointed out the person on the other photo.
Lokho kubonisa ukuthi umuntu ababembonile bona wayenama-threat afike entanyeni njengokubhala kwabe etatimendeni.
That shows, my Lord, that the person that they saw had dreadlocks that reached the neck. It was like this.
Lokho futhi kubonisa ukuthi umuntu abambona wayenama-threat ami kanje angalukiwe.
And further, that proves that the person that they saw had similar dreads like this, which were not plated.
Ngoba bona babedweba into abayibonayo ababefanekisa ngayo ukuthi idwetshwe umuntu oyiphoyisa.
Because they were describing something that they witnessed. So hence, they gave that description to be sketched by the police official.
So kuba lama-threat mhlambe made sikhuluma ngobude nje babezodweba ama-threat amade la isithombe nabe sibona ama-threat amade.
If the dreadlocks were long, such would have been drafted or sketched down. We would be seeing on this picture long dreadlocks.
Ngabe sibona ama-threat alukiwe kuba babethe babona umuntu one-threat elukiwe ngabe sibona ama-threat alukiwe la.
And we would be seeing plated dreadlocks, should they have described the person or the suspect as one having plated dreadlocks. That would have been sketched.
Akekho umuntu ongaphikisana nabo ngoba yibo ababedweba la ababesendlini ababebona.
And no one can argue with them because they are the ones who actually gave the description to be sketched since they were present in the house and saw it.
Sorry, when you say description of the representation which had to be sketched, which representation are you alluding to? Because me, just being a reasonable person with some sight, if you look at these two photo productions, whether you call them sketches or whatever, these are two different representations, two totally different representations. Look at the gentleman on you, I'm not saying it's yourself, on the right. You can see he's got a full tuft of hair. And you look at this gentleman, who allegedly is supposed to have been at the wherever parade. He doesn't have a tuft of hair like I do have. Doesn't. So the representations we are looking at, unless you don't agree with me, fine, no problem. They are totally different. Not inimically different, totally.
Uma wena ukhuluma ke ngezithombe mhlambe ngomdwebo isithombe sathwethula ecishe zibonakala kwangathi ziyafana usho siphi ngoba mina mehlulela uma ngibhekile kusuka la ngihlezi khona uma ngibheka zehluke ngempela asifani kwasanhloko lezi zithombe ngoba bheka lo ngasesandleni sokudla uyabheka lona ukuthi lona uthanda ukuthi inwele zakhe ngizozibiza ngokuthi cishe zibe isihluthu sithanda ukuthi sigcwale ikhaya lona impela unqoshiwe inwele impela ngapha esandleni sokunxele uma ngibheka angisho ukuthi wena ngapha kodwa ke mina mehlulela uma ngibheka le zithombe ngiyabona ukuthi zehluke kwasanhloko kwampela
Lapha kwasenkantolo bengakakhulumi ngobuhluthu bengikhuluma ngobude bama-dread nokwelukwa into engikhuluma ngayo.
My Lord, I was not commenting about the type of hair, the tuft of hair or not, but I was talking about the length of the dreadlocks and the way they've been made.
No, fine, no
braided.
problem. I was just saying this is the court's view, after listening to the fact that actually an artist was engaged to speak to the persons who were allegedly inside the house to make representations, contributions as to what they saw. An artist, I think it's about with 3 or 4, 7 people, whatever. But that's a composite representation of more than one person, as I understand the evidence.
Kulungile ke ngangiphawula nami njengomehluleli ke maqondana nokuthi lo mdwebi ngolibolekiwe lika George kuthiwa iartist lo mdwebi oyithombe okwazi ukudweba bomfanekiso ngemva kokuthi ke axoxisane nabathize ababekhona ngicabanga ukuthi kwakuthi akube abantu abathathu noma abane abaphositshe sivivaneni echazeni kuze kudwetshwe lo yamdwebo so wasekhipha lo yamdwebo.
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, that is so.
Wayekhulumisana namaphoyisa ukuthi adwebe. Kodwa manje sikukhumbule ukuthi umdwebo isithombe straight lesi.
Yes, the person had discussed with the police to draft